state. So what's tomorrow? Tomorrow is June, which would be 6. Tomorrow is the 0 and a 1. And tomorrow is the year 2024. So we only use the 4. So what you're going to do is add 3. 6 and 3 is 9. 9 and 3 is 12. 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. You're going to, I'll say, plus 3. If you see that, we're going to plus 3 to each row. So I'm going to do it again. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 and 3 is 12. 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. And you remember we only use the number on your right hand side. So you remember the date sum. Date sum will give us 2 and a 7. So you remember on the one video, I told you to darken in your date sums. So all your 2s and 7s will be darkened in. And you remember on the one we just did, that 277 was hot. It's in our all state, y'all. 277 for the date sum. And you remember I told you if you're in Michigan like zeros. So there we go again. 2007, 2770, 2770 will be hot. And that's using the date sum for all state. 6 for June. Tomorrow is the 1st. Year is 2024. We only use the 4. So if we wanted to pull the numbers out, 692, going straight up and down. 036, 147. As you can see, it's going straight down. 147, 470. Now what we're going to do is something that I like to call boxes. You're going to go to the top and do a box. Or no, an L first. So you're going to go 603. Look, 603. And then you're going to go 609. Walk you through that one more time. 603, 609. Then you're going to move next door. You're going to go 014. Then you're going to go 013. I'll walk you through that one more time. 014, 013. These are the pair of numbers you have thus far. Let's keep going. 147, 144. Y'all see how I did that? 147, 144. Then you're going to drop down. 936. 932. We're going to go next door. We're going to go 347. 346. You're going to go next door. 470. And then you're going to go 477. So these are all the 3 digits that you could possibly pull out of there. Hopefully you've seen how I did it. If not, I'm going to need you to watch the video again. So now let's pull out our 4 digits. The date is one within itself. 6014. So we're going to go 6014. 9347. 2670. And look at that. We have a 2, a 7, and a 0 that Michigan like in the same row. So that should make you definitely want to go play that or keep it in because it's en route. Now, this is how I do my boxes for the 4 digit. I need y'all to pay attention, and if you don't get it the first time, it's okay to watch the video all over again. Hopefully, you can see it, and it's not being blurry or anything where I have to do it over because. Okay, so your first one for the 4 digit, you go 6039. Yeah, see how I did that? 6039. Now you could go 3 ways. Now you could bring it back and do 6930. And then you could come back around and do it this way. 0693. Walk you through it one more time. I'm going to go the original way. 6039. That's the original way. Then we're going to go this way. 6930. Okay, we're not done yet. Then we're going to go 0693. So it's always going to be 3 hits coming out of these squares. So you're going to go next door. We have 1474. We're going to bring it around. We got 1474. We already got it. So you could say it's hot because it's on there more than one time. But with this, it's a special number because you got doubles in it. So you could go 1447 as another possibility. Okay, so then we're going to go down. You got 4 squares in here that you're going to do. This is a square, this is a square, this is a square, and this is a square. So let's do this square real fast. 9362. We're going to bring it around the other way. 9263. And then, we're not done yet because we got to go bring it this way. So you're going to go 3926. And that's your third number for that square. So then you're going to go to your last square. We got 4707. Then we could bring it back around. 4707. We already got that. So it's on there more than one time. So you could put H for hot. Or if you want to write the whole word out, whatever you choose to do is best for you. And we're not done because we still got a third one. So you go 7470. But with this one, we got doubles again. So you could go 4770. And that is the numbers that you could get from the first tic-tac using today's date, all state. Not sure where these numbers going, but they have to come en route. So let's do the one for tomorrow. So this was for the day of June the 1st, 2024. So what's the day after that? June the 2nd, 2004. You see what I did? 6 for June. What's tomorrow's date after? What's the date after that will be the 2nd and 2004. So you do the same thing. You remember? We plus in 3 to each row. So 6 and 3. And you would notice that this one, the first row, the second row, and the third row will always be the same for most of the part. But what would change is like when it gets to like 11 or 12 or something like that. Because watch this. 6 and 3 is 9. 9 and 3 is 12. Look at this side. 6 and 3 is 9. 9 and 3 is 12. You see they gave repeated the same side. Okay. 0 and 3 is 3. 3 and 3 is 6. What did they give us on this side? 0 plus 3 is 3, and 3 plus 3 is 6. You see how it's just repeating itself? But this is different because it's the second. So 3 and 2 is 5. 5 and 3 is 8. It was different on this side because it was the first. So 1 and 3 gave you 4, and 4 and 3 gave you 7. Let's go to the last row. 4 and 3 is 7, and 7 and 3 is 0. You see, they repeated that because the year is still 2024. So it will change like it did on the third run, because this was the 1st of June and this is the 2nd of June. So let's pull our numbers out real quick so I could get some rest, and hopefully I don't think about anything else that I want to share with you guys. So we're going to start pulling it out again. 692 036 470. Yeah, see, some of those numbers are the same as those, the first 4 right here. Okay, let's go to the next one. Let's start with our L's. So our first L will be 603, 609. About to show y'all again one more time. 603, 609. You move to the next one. 025, 023, 247, 245, 936, 932. 358, 356, 570, 578. Okay, that's all the 3 digits they gave us for that one. So let's move to your 4 digits. Remember, the date is always good to play. 6024. 9357, 2680. You see how I got that? I just went straight across. So the next thing we're going to do is our 4 squares. Remember, 6039, 6930. And then our third one, we're going to go 0693. You're going to move to your next square. 0253, 0352. Your last one, you're going to go 2035. Move to your next one. 2475, 2574, and 4257. Ooh. 4257. Okay, you're going to move to your next one. 9362. You're going to bring it around the other way. 9263. Then you're going to go 3926. And then we could go 3586. 3685. And 5368. All right, the last ones will be 5708, 5807, and 7580. These are all the 4 digits and the 3 digits that could possibly come tomorrow. Allstate, And yeah, that's how you do an all state for using a date. Remember, you're going to add 3 to each row. And I showed you step by step how to pull them out. So hopefully the clarity of this video is a whole lot better. Good luck.